So, one of my clients was telling me about one of his new businesses, which he partnered with someone online from a different country to create his website for this new business. Now, when I started reviewing the website, I definitely gave him some suggestions that he took on. And I also mentioned that I could have done that in within a few minutes using AI, which I love using for websites. Lovable. So, how to even begin? I like using ChatGPT as the first step to get the body, the prompt, the content of it, and start from there. So I would use my mic button. I do not like typing, just more efficient for me to even express myself as well. So I would say something like this: I need to create a prompt for a lovable website for this Florida scape landscape and maintenance business. I need it to be, instead of the green and blue, I want it to be just black and white with yellow. So I want you to use the same navigation bar, the same contact information, verbiage, and graphics moved over to this website. Please use this as reference, this website, floridascape.net, so you could create a similar one, but with the black and white and yellow concept. Now, again, make sure to add every button and everything over, and pages, individual pages over, or even pop-ups from the buttons, if any. And also for the navigation bar, making sure and social medias are plugged in their proper areas, along with contact info. But for navigation bar, we have home, about us, commercial division, residential division, and property management. So it is a scroll down concept of a website, so make sure it's the same format and style, and again, making sure it pops and make it more engaging for them, but also user friendly for both mobile and browser versions. So, you'll say something like that to ChatGPT. Obviously, you want to give it as reference, even though I laid out the website to use as reference. We're going to copy paste that over and then click enter. Now, let's see what it gives us from here. Below is a ready to copy paste directly into Lovable AI to generate the website. And then I structured it so it's Lovable clearly understands the layout, pages, navigation, and styling requirements based on floridascape.net. Here is the website. And if you see here, I'm going to start scrolling, copy pasting that over, and plugging it in here. Now from here, it will take a few minutes. So as we wait, I want to go back in here so you guys could really see the details of what we gave it as a prompt. So here it even even goes further. You know how GPT goes, right? If you like, I can also give you a much better lovable prompt, 10 times stronger. That includes exact sections by section wireframe, copywriting for every section, SEO, landscaping keywords, conversation psychology, layout. I mean, ChatGPT can keep going. That's why you want to use it as like your main first step source for the body and the concept of what you want to build. Now, I could have definitely, I went too quick, but I could have definitely loved to go 10 times stronger. So, after we review this, we'll say yes. In the meantime, we'll see what this one creates. Now, if you look here in the prompt, we have overall website design, luxury landscaping, branding, color palette. We mentioned black, white, and yellow in this scenario. And then here, layout requirements. Here it does just give it everything it has: navigation bar, right side of nav bar, the phone, the request, the mobile, the hamburger, home section. You already see everything is just like there for you, as you saw me, to copy paste over. Now, over here in Lovable, it's also creating its magic right now. It's getting ready for us. But here is the prompt that I put in. And then here it is thinking, you guys. It is not human, but it thinks, and it is building in the back end. And right now it says set up design system, build all page sections, add a conversation features, generate hero section images. Keep in mind that this is something that's currently right now being created within minutes. Tops is going to take less than 10 minutes. It's going to be like maybe 5 minutes, which I've seen in the past. However, this person, this client of mine, took him months with this third party that he found online, that he does not even know them, right? So it's great, so that they also get to see the difference, right, in how efficient and time consuming that deadline, right? If you do have a strict deadline, how we're going to meet your expectations and give you still a great quality experience as a service with whatever service you may need, whether that's website, videos, etc. And another thing which I think is very important, here, if we go into contact us, I feel like this is just a loophole of like back and forth, which he'll probably just get an email and then they'll just be back and forth if they don't find a good time to connect, right? I would just replace this with a Calendly. And then another little thing I would also suggest is, let's see, request consultation. Okay. Let's see, what is this? Oh, another contact us. Awesome. Oh, okay. So it takes them to a 404 page not found. So that's another thing, you guys, with our services. Before we even launch anything, we want to make sure that we're giving you a quality service, which includes troubleshooting, or any revisions that will be also approved by you. So we'll give you definitely a walkthrough of every little thing, and making sure in the back end that we are doing our rundown, making sure all links and buttons are working properly and the proper content is there. All right. Well, those were my little suggestions that I'll need to send over to him so he can let the team know. Oh, and then here we have it. Get a free landscaping quote. I love that call of action. Here we did not see that, I believe. If you refresh here, we didn't get any pop-up. But that call of action is a good marketing technique. It all depends whether you want it here or in a banner in the website, right? Okay, so it stayed right with this color that we mentioned: white, the black, the white, and the yellow. Okay, and then let's put them together. Let's see. So here we have about us, commercial, residential, property management. Okay, perfect. Request quote is going to take them to the contact us. Free quote, that gives them like that marketing strategy. And then here, commercial landscaping. Okay. Schedule consultation, it takes us there. a quick view. Before and after, love that. Love the luxury images as well. Okay, so from here, you basically just start customizing it and you start making it to your liking. And then I am just going to show this to my client on here and see what he thinks. But now from here, I just tweak it in Lovable with the exact verbiage that he has, and I'll make sure that everything gets added properly. That's a little sneak peek of what I did in those few minutes, you guys. Look what we created so far. And then the footer in the bottom, social medias right here, newsletter if you want to set that up as well, so it even gives you like little things, and then making sure you're syncing everything properly afterwards. You do not need to be a tech person for this. You just need ChatGPT, copy paste it over, and get inspired and start creating magic and start tweaking. Now, I'm going to show this to my client and see if he wants to do business with me and, you know, have another 2 businesses with him. See you later.